When you perform an NGS alignment in Array Studio, an alignment report will be created. For each file or pair of files, basic statistics will be generated, such as the number of nucleotides aligned, the amount of trimming performed during the alignment step, and the uniquely mapped rate. Additional QC data can be generated under NGS, Align Data QC, and either DNAseq or RNAseq QC metrics. Choose your aligned data object, whether to look across the genome or in a subset, and across all samples or a subset, and which QC metrics to perform. You can also choose whether to include or exclude certain potentially problematic alignments. When the QC is done, you will find it under Table Align Data QC. The Aligned QC Statistics table contains detailed information for each file, including deletion and insertion rate, mapped rate, paired rate, duplication rate, which is using both mapping location and sequence information, gene feature mapping in the case of RNA-seq data, flag data, and the calculated insert size. For RNA-seq data, you can also check the coverage of genes along the 5' to 3' axis. For each gene in a gene length range, this module will measure what fraction of the reads along each gene are falling into bins, defined here. This can identify certain problems that can be caused by certain enrichment methods, such as poly-A selection. For each gene length grouping, you'll see a graph of the coverage along the gene. Here we can see relatively even coverage over most genes.